Right then, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. You join us at Uncle Eddie's motocross track. Now it is wet and freaking horrible. If you're new to the channel, then obviously I'm just getting into motocross myself, so it should be a pretty good laugh. So what's Uncle Eddie's like in the middle of December? Well, it is an absolute sludge pit. But you know what? I freaking love it. Come on then. Oh yeah! Smell that two-stroke! Smell that! I'm fucking laughing! I don't know what's happened to us! I'm like a new man! Come on then! Come on! Woo! You want some of this, do you? You want some of this? Come on then! Oh! Leg out! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Confidence has been knocked. Freaking Kawasaki, freaking Kawasaki, freaking Kawasaki. I can't get any traction. I can't get any traction. Freaking got him, boys. Freaking got him. So as the title suggests, am I too old to get into motocross? Now, a bit of a backstory. Well, I'm 29 years old, been riding dirt bikes now for 3 times, as you can quite clearly see. And like I said, 29 years old. This is my 4th time in total on a dirt bike, on a 125 two-stroke. We're at Uncle Eddie's motocross track, and the simple answer is absolutely not. There's a guy out here in the warm-up session on a Yami, and I swear to God, he was absolutely flying. Like, he was incredible, and he was an old boy. So to me, that just shows you that there's no such thing as too old. Come on, you go in front of us, boy. You go in front of us. Come on, run your freaking beauty! Come on, way up! Come on! Come on, you little buggy bitch! Get up in that rats! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh crap! Stop bugging, you little Woo! Who's that guy? That guy overtook me earlier! Come on then! I'm gonna freaking have you! Come on! You overtook me earlier! Come on! Yeah, that's what I thought! Yeah, freaking! You bottled it! You bottled it! Woohoo! Hey up! There's a Kawasaki! What? Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Hey! Oh! Freaking nose! Did a bit of a nosedive in there, lads. A bit of a nosedive in. Go on then. Go on then. Go on then. Woo. Go on then. Keep on board, you little fucker. I don't know where this confidence has come from. Oh. next. Come on then. Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Slide that slide up. Ooh. Ooh. I better win a motocross to say, eh? I better win a motocross. Fun though, said, eh? Fun though, said. Woohoo! She's getting a bit freaking loose now, boys. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Come on then. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, this is so much fun, so much fun. Right up. Go on, Bill. Freaking ride the bike, Bill. Go on, Bill. Ah. I'm riding badly now. Like, I can just tell that in myself that I'm riding bad. Oh, it's freaking absolutely chucking it down the rain now. Absolutely chucking it down. Right then, so I'm going to call that a day. I've had my fun today. When I start getting tired, I can tell my riding just goes 10 times worse, so I'm not even going to carry on, so I can get home and beat the traffic. So if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, it's much appreciated. Now we've got a lot of cleaning to do. Catch you in the next one.